everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to make this fall farmhouse wreath using products from Dollar Tree and Joann fabric. So if you want to see how I made it, stay tuned. So you're going to need one wreath form from the Dollar Tree, pipe cleaners, a pair of scissors, I like a rotary cutter, this gray plaid ribbon from Joann Fabrics, this pumpkin ribbon from Joann Fabrics, a roll of this deco mesh from Joann Fabrics, some of the burlap from Walmart, a tube of silver deco mesh from the Dollar Tree, some orange burlap from Walmart, some decorative gourds from Dollar Tree, orange sunflowers from Dollar Tree, and white sunflowers from Joann Fabrics. So I've gone ahead and prepped everything that I'm going to need for this wreath. So I cut six 6-inch pieces of the brown burlap. I cut six 6-inch pieces of the orange burlap. I'm still up in the air whether I'm going to use this or not. I've cut 6 12-inch pieces of the silver or gray burlap, whatever you can find. I know Joann Fabrics sometimes carries like a muted gray color. I've cut 6 pieces of the orange burlap from Joann Fabrics. No, I'm sorry. I cut 18 pieces of these at 12 inches each, and I still have a good amount left of the roll. I've also gone ahead and cut 5 8-inch pieces of this gray ribbon, and I've gone ahead and cut 5 8-inch pieces of this pumpkin ribbon, and I've gone ahead and dovetailed these. And the way that you do that is you just put your two ends together, fold it over on itself like this, and then cut downwards. I've also gone ahead and cut my pipe cleaners, so let's get started. I'm going to take this orange mesh that I have here. Let me get you in a little bit better of a position to see what I'm doing. Okay. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to walk my fingers up it. And it makes like a little squiggle. I'm going to take one of my pipe cleaners and go around this. Pull it upward. Once around here, we're going to put the pipe cleaners in the same direction that the burlap is going, not the burlap, the mesh is going. I'm going to take another piece. I'm going to do exactly the same thing. And we're going to lay it across the other one. And twist. So now we've just got an orange I keep wanting to say burlap. We've got an orange mesh blossom here, so I'm going to go ahead and make 6 of these. Next, we're going to go ahead and make our next set of blossoms. We'll need 6 of these as well, so it's going to be 1 piece of the brown burlap. And I'm going to do the same thing. Just walk my fingers up the center of it so it creates a little blossom. I'm going to take a regular size pipe cleaner for this one because this burlap is really thick. And I'm just going to go around this. and do the same thing. Twist. And I'm gonna take a piece of this gray. Same thing, block my fingers up the center. Take it, go the opposite direction with it. Twist. And now I'm gonna take another piece of the big orange mesh. And walk my fingers up this, put it in the opposite direction. So there's another little blossom. Don't worry about the pipe cleaner showing because you won't be able to see it once we start piecing the wreath together. So again, we need 6 of these as well. Okay, so I've got all of my structure burlap all done up here. So what we're gonna start to do is start to build this wreath. I don't attach any ribbon or anything until I have all of my base burlap laid. So basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna work on this center ring right here. And we have two bunches of mesh for every section. So here's a section. There's a wire to a wire. So this is one section right here. So we're gonna put 2 burlap bunches, mesh bunches, whatever you wanna call them, to a section. So we're gonna put it right through, right over those 2 wires, and we're gonna take that pipe cleaner and twist. And all I'm gonna do is alternate off the bunches. So I'm gonna do the bunch that just has the normal orange and then the bunch that has the burlap. So I'm gonna go all the way around this wreath. All right, the whole wreath is filled now. Now we're gonna go ahead and make our accents. So I'm gonna take a piece of this orange burlap and I'm gonna roll it. You don't have to roll it tightly, but roll it. I'm gonna put it between my fingers like this. If you have a Bodabra, that would be good for this, but I don't. I mostly just use my lips or my fingers or whatever. So I'm gonna take this piece of plaid and I'm gonna go ahead and put it behind this at an angle, and then I'm gonna take a piece of the orange pumpkin one and put it behind the plaid at a different angle. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna come in with our pipe cleaner and go across all the different angles, pull it up, and twist it, just like we do with all of our other stuff. So it kind of offsets. So I'm gonna make 5 of those. Okay, so I ended up making 6 of our little accent bunches here. I usually don't like working in even amounts for the accent bunches, but I went ahead and added in this green ribbon that's the same as the gray one that we were working with, just because there's really no color breakup in this wreath. I usually accent with darker colors, but I was trying to do the muted thing, but I think that the green just breaks it up just a little bit. So I went ahead and did 3 of them with this green and then 3 of them with this gray, and I'm just gonna go in and secure them in, 1 for each set of bars, and I'm just gonna alternate the colors around the wreath. All right, so all of our mesh bunches are on here, all of our accent ribbons are on here. I've gone ahead and painted and distressed this little wood sign that says Home Sweet Farmhouse. I just did it beige and then distressed it with white and dark brown. I got this from Joann Fabrics for about 50 cents. That piece is completely optional. I'm gonna go ahead and put some of these green gourds on there from Dollar Tree. Some of these white sunflowers from Joann Fabrics. I'm just gonna pop them right off. And a few of these orange ones from Dollar Tree. So All I do is find little spots and pop them right in. There's no right or wrong way to do this, no rhyme or reason. Just stick them in anywhere you want them. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna stick my little gourds on here and then I will come back with the finished product.